What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be installing a catch can finally on my 2000 FRC with the LS1. So I know some of the years are different, and I'm not really going to go into depth on the differences, but I believe 97 to 03 LS1s is the same. LS6 is different, and then 04s are also different. But yeah, this specifically is for my 2000, so I'm going to show you guys how I route it, and that's about it. Car's currently on jacks because I'm getting new tires installed on the rear right now. So that's why she's up in the air. But yeah, it's long overdue. I got this same one on my Denali. It's Amazon, the Evil Engineering. Got this anodized red. It looks pretty nice. I like it on my truck, so that's why I decided to get this one again. And it actually works. It collected a ton of oil so far in my truck. Comes with hoses, different fittings, bracket, and the catch can. Alrighty, so like I said, I'm not going to go into depth on, what a catch can is, why you need it, etc. Just going to show you guys how to install it on your C5. Like I said, this is a 2000, so you can see right here we got the external PCV valve, and we're going to be removing this. Pop this off first from the throttle body because it's in the way. And yeah, I'll show you guys how we're gonna hook it up. I'm gonna have to mount it to my beautiful PRC heads. All right, so I'm mocking the bracket up, and just my case specifically with this Evil Engineering catch can, the bracket, the hole is pretty small, so I just drilled it out so that it'll fit on the head. And I just so happen to have a bolt that fits the head as well laying around, so I didn't have to buy that. But yeah, I'm gonna set it up here, how to drill the hole out, and yeah, I'll show y'all when I'm done with that. All right, so for the way I wanted to have this bracket with this 90 sticking out, I had to grind the top off so I could get these bolts, so I could get them in, or else you just can't. And my grinder slipped a little messed up, but it's all right. Still looks good. Got the threaded inserts in, the fittings. I Teflon taped them, which is good practice, and tightened them up, and I'm gonna route the hoses. This thing looks pretty good though, I like it. Glad I got the red instead of just black or silver. Alrighty, got the can all installed. So how I routed it was PCV valve goes to the inlet of the catch can, then the outlet goes into the throttle, or not the throttle body, the intake. So that's how I have it. Inlet from the PCV valve, outlet to the intake. That's what I've seen others do. I've also read somewhere that someone kept the throttle body that goes to the valve cover. I didn't do that yet, but I'll see how this works for now. Maybe do a little more research and look into that more, but for now I'm gonna have it like this. Got them zip tied out of the way so it stays off the pulley, because it was pretty close if I didn't do that. And yeah, I think it looks pretty good. And the fuel rail cover still fits, just like normal, just like factory. Slaps right on. Yeah, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna see how this works, over the next driving miles and see what it does. All right, y'all. Been a couple weeks since I installed this catch can. Jumping ahead a little bit. And so far it's been good. I just wanted to give you guys a little update after I drove the car for a while. Like I said, been a couple weeks, probably put a couple 100 miles on it. And I haven't had any issues so far. It's been working great. Collecting some oil. I'll show you guys, there's a little dipstick here. I just got back from driving the car, so I'm not gonna take the bottom of it off to show you guys the oil collected, but it does have a dipstick, and yeah, nothing's really gonna come up, but there's a little bit of oil in there, so I know it's doing its job. So yeah, so far how I routed this has been working. Like I said, there might be a better way to do it. So far it's been working good for me. You guys got any suggestions, let me know. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know, that's the update with the catch can. Need some better lighting in here. There's only a couple lights, but yeah, I just got the car titled today in Texas. So I just got my Texas license plate and no more Nevada plates. So I'm about to take that off, put my Texas plate on. Yeah, guys, just a quick little video. I want to make a full build, walk around soon. So let me know if you guys have any interest in seeing that full breakdown on, what's done to the car. Because I always get questions about it. Got these Corsa mufflers I need to throw on still. But yeah, anyways, appreciate y'all for watching. Feel free to let me know what you guys think about the video and what you'd like to see next. Appreciate it.